So we talked about the clinical scenario. You have a patient who is in need of therapy, and typically these people are given JAK inhibitor, ruxolitinib, to control the signs and symptoms, that is spleen and quality of life, as the target goal for use of JAK inhibitors. We also have a fedratinib in the United States approved a year ago for the same purpose. These two medications cause anemia. So anemia, which is on its own a major problem in myelofibrosis, compromises also delivery of JAK inhibitors. So the Sotatercept and Luspatercept are injections under the skin every 3 weeks of medications that are able to boost the differentiation, a terminal differentiation of erythrocytes, basically improving the number of red blood cells, improving the anemia. So they cover a third major problem that we have with myelofibrosis. We have a problem with quality of life, problem with the symptomatic splenomegaly, and problem with the anemia. And anemia is even compromising the delivery of JAK inhibitors, as I mentioned, to improve the symptoms and the quality of life. So the Sotatercept and Luspatercept in the phase 2 studies on these presentations, you have the evidence for their activity in about a third of the patients for anemia improvements. And the plan is with Luspatercept, specifically with Luspatercept, to combine it with ruxolitinib and help patients manage the anemia on top of the ruxolitinib that would be managing spleen and symptoms. That is another phase 3 study that we look forward to conduct in very near future around the globe for patients that are in a need of JAK inhibitor for spleen and symptoms and Luspatercept for anemia. That will be a randomized study to see whether this drug works.